Kyrene Governing Board has called for an election for the continuation of the local maintenance and operation override to be placed on the ballot November 2nd, 2021. This video is meant to provide factual information about the override so that Kyrene community members can make an informed decision. Kyrene School District has laid out a detailed plan for what override funding supports and why the board has called for a continuation of the override. Through a maintenance and operations override, local voters approve funding for operating costs beyond what is provided to schools by the state. Since this is an override continuation, there are no new taxes or tax increases for our community. State law requires voter approval to continue receiving the full maintenance and operations override funding, and to prevent funding from declining after 5 years. The 2021 Kyrene override for $13.8 million would support special area instruction, efforts to attract and retain high-quality educators, student support services, and reduce class sizes. This is a mail-in only election. All registered voters in the Kyrene School District boundaries can vote on the override. Early voting begins October 6th. The deadline to request a ballot by mail is October 22nd. And election day is November 2nd. For more information, please visit the community section of Kyrene.org.